Alright guys, welcome back. If you've seen my first video of me changing the headlights on my 2500 2022 Silverado, I received a package from LASFIT that sent me the tail lights and the reverse lights. So I'm going to be doing that today, and I'm going to give you a video on it at night later on, because it's sunny here big times. So I'm going to be switching them at this time, and then I'll be taking a drive at night and give you okay. Alright, I'm here. Show you how it looks at night. Gotta be careful around the streets. I'm so excited to do this, guys. Been waiting a while for this. Let's see what I receive in that package. Can't wait. Can't wait for tonight to see those red lights that they send me. And by the way, LASFIT saw my video and they hit me up. Thank you for sending me these lights. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you. Right, I'm here. I'm so excited, guys. Just clean the beast. Be showing you later on at night later how the lights look like, the blinkers, how it works. Not gonna be replacing all this today, and this right here, the reverse lights and the tail lights. Let's see my package. Oh, there's two packages. Oh, this is the one I'm looking for. I'm not looking for this guy, I'm looking for this one. Nice. Oh my God. My dogs are going crazy in there. So happy. Woo. Yeah. I'm gonna be switching them on today. I'm gonna do it right now eventually. Nice and sunny. Do this side right here first. So the only thing that you got to move out of here is this one right here and this one over here. I'll look for the tools right now. So this is the regular lights. This is how it looks. This is the reverse lights. They look all yellow. They gotta go. They gotta go. I'm gonna replace them with the LASFIT. Alright. First of all, this video is brought to you by LASFIT. Right there. LASFIT right here. I'm gonna open this package. I'm gonna see what's inside of it. See what they sent me. Oh, wow. This right here, they look like the reverse lights. Right here. The TT15. Wow. This is sick, dude. This is nice. Look at this. This is nice. The L7443R. These are supposed to be in red. 4 of them. Wow, I can't wait to install these lights. I can't wait for tonight also. Wow, I'm going to be installing them right now, guys. So you just pop them to the side and pull them back. They're going to have some black screws there that probably going to have to do a little bit with out of there. But that's it. Simple as that. I'll be installing now. I'll be changing them. 3 lights right here. All right. First of all, I'm going to remove all the bulbs out of here. The big ones are pretty hard to take out. Come on. So I'm going to be installing the reverse first. Sure not to touch those yellow lights. Alright. Put yours back in here for emergencies. Put together for the sun. And put down reverse lights. Wow. These are pretty, man. Let's go see. You check this out. Oh wow. Oh wow, I'm gonna put the reverse lights now. Hey, tell me it didn't turn on. Stuff. Oh yeah, I have to do the reverse stuff. Look at that. Wow. 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 Man, that's bright. I can't wait for tonight. That's bright. Look at this. Woo. There you have it. Going to be putting everything back. I can't wait for tonight. A nice drive. fit in that hole too. Wow. Show you guys. Show you guys. You see those screws right there? The screws right here. They gotta go in there, and you just push it in. That's it. It's easy as that. Make sure you got them in there. That's it. So now I'm gonna see it with lights back in. Let's see how it looks. Can't wait to see them on tonight. Well, there you go, guys. I'm gonna be switching that one right now, and that's it. I'm gonna take a drive tonight and show you how the lights look like. All right, guys, I'm going to show you all the lights all the way around, and that's it. We'll look at the truck, show you how it looks. High beams, low beams, all the lights are on. Wow, look how bright those reverse lights are. Tail lights. Looks really, really awesome. Look at that. Look how bright it is. This is awesome when you're backing up an RV. Once again, thank you, LASFIT, for these wonderful lights. You have put this truck in another level. there you have it, guys. I am so impressed with these lights. Look at this. Look how bright this is. Oh my God. All right. See you guys, Glenn.